Thanks. Spotlight on Suprabha, yeah. We can't hear you, Suprabha.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
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 Louder,
Okay. Nari Shakti Shaktishali Samajastya Nirmanam Karoti. Meaning, when the women are empowered, they build a strong society and strengthen the nation. Good day, everyone. A warm welcome to you all to the educational event about She Economy, an event which marks a spread of an economic sisterhood across the border, the She Economy, as it has joined hands with the prestigious Veerashaiva Mahasabha, which has a rich history of over 104 years. She Economy is a collaborative business system which is made by the women to the women. A successful business to consumer model that encourages a direct selling of products and services that are made, value added, marketed, and sold by female professionals across the country. Now I request Ms. Nandini to welcome the speakers for the day and the attentive audience community.
Thank you, Suprabha. I take this opportunity to welcome one and all, and to be precise, first of all, I welcome Lakshmi Shankar, a global chairperson, business networking for G100, All India Ladies League, and she has many more added to that. I mean, what all she can do and she's doing. And regarding that introduction, our colleagues will let you know later. And I also welcome Ms. Sandhya Rao, All India League, Ladies League chairperson, especially for the startups. And I welcome Nisha Dhanuka, who is a chartered accountant by profession and a banker by the profession accordingly. And Ms. Prinal Goyal, who is the founder and CEO for PG Digital Solutions. And finally, the other guest was Ms. Sonal Krishnati, MD for Concitech Enterprises. These are our few chosen guests, and I welcome one and all who are present, especially the members of All India Veerashaiva Mahasabha and Wiki and She Economy, and all other colleagues who are interested to learn something. Either they could be startups or they could be the people who want to do something in the business. There is a saying where they say, like, you know, like in Kannada, they'll say, like, there are 100 people you can put together, like 100 jana contestant ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ 3 ಜನ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. But contrary to that, today, that's what I said. Contrary to that, today we can really show to the other world, like the gents world, saying that we are here to help each other with whatever difficulties that we are coming across in our business setting up, or to develop, or to show our intellects and the talents that each one has got within us. So there is no, actually this is a common platform wherein there is a chance for each and every one to show their talent and exhibit their talents in a form of product or services or in some other way, wherein we get more business. So the more stronger we become economically, the more voice we can raise against anything. That's a theme, and that's a thing. So with this background, I welcome one and all for this fantastic 1 hour discussion or conversation or the series of things. And I hope this is going to be continued for once in every fortnight, wherein all our people are going to come under one platform and do the best thing. Welcome one and all. Thank you.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಾಯೆ ಎಂಬರು, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಾಯೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮನದ ಮುಂದಣ ಆಶೆಯೇ ಮಾಯೆ ಕಾಣ ಗುಹೇಶ್ವರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಚನಕಾರರು.
Chennamma.
Miss Nandini.
No, sorry. Sorry.
Hello.
This is Suprabha, right?
Yes.
Suprabha.
Yeah. Let Suprabha remain in the spotlight, Lakshmi.
Yeah.
I'll continue.
Yes, please.
Yeah. I thank Miss Nandini heartily for her words of welcome.
Great.
Miss Sandhya, is the All Ladies League India Chairperson for Startup Support and a National Council member for WICCI Diversity and Inclusion. Sandhya Rao is an entrepreneur, a dancer, a costume stylist with over 2 decades of work experience in the apparel and non-apparel sectors. She is the founder of the startup venture WikiWear, which has a portfolio of branded fashion apparel and accessories with some products focused on cancer care. She's also the co-founder of a healthcare technology venture, RedMed Health Systems. I welcome you, ma'am, and would request you to take on the DS.
Thank you, Suprabha. And I request you to have your video on so that we can put you in spotlight when you're speaking. Thank you.
Her video was on.
It was off. That is why we couldn't put her in spotlight.
Okay.
So now we can remove the spotlight from Nadini. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here today. It is indeed a pleasure for All Ladies League to collaborate with All India Veerashaiva Mahasabha. I am Sandhya, and I'd like to tell a brief thing about All Ladies League. All Ladies League, founded and headquartered in Delhi by our global chairperson, Dr. Harbeen Arora, is a Sisters Beyond Borders multinational organization, fostering a worldwide web of women beyond borders, boundaries, and biases. All is non-political, non-religious, it is free, but by invite. So All Ladies League has over 250,000 members worldwide. The conferencing arm of All Ladies League is the Women Economic Forum, which curates conversations, connections, community, and collaborations in a celebratory spirit that elevates receptivity, curiosity, openness, inspiration, and innovation. WICCI, the Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, is the National Business Chamber for Women from All Ladies League. It envisions global impact for women entrepreneurs, businesswomen, and professionals from all walks of life. And now what we are here for today, Sheconomy. Sheconomy, the e-commerce platform of All Ladies League, we call it as All, is the world's first free web hosting platform for women entrepreneurs and business owners worldwide, enabling them to sell and market their goods and services. It is driven by the vision of every woman is a businesswoman, with a mission to empower and enable women entrepreneurs to sell, scale, succeed, sustain, and serve. So I'm very happy to be here today, and I look forward to a very enriching and learning experience. It is back again to Suprabha. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Sandhya, for elaborating us today. I heartily thank you. Ms. Veena Casey, the Karnataka Chairperson for Startup Support in All Ladies League, is here with us, but she would not be able to take it up as a speaker today. Ms. Chennamma Bellawal, Proprietor, Bell Technology and Consultancy Services, Mutual Fund Partner, NJ India, a Birla Sun Life Advisor, CEO Club, and an MDRT Achiever, a digital marketer, and a member, AIVM Women's Wing. I request Ms. Chennamma Bellawal to take up the DS, please.
Good morning to all lovely ladies. All India Veerashaiva Mahasabha Industries and Commerce Women Entrepreneur Wing was inaugurated on 19th March 2021, celebrating Women's Day and creating opportunities for our women entrepreneurs to put their products stalls. We received an overwhelming response. On 9th June, we conducted a vaccination drive and successfully vaccinated 500 people. On 27th June, we celebrated World Environment Day by planting trees and conveyed the message, plant a tree, get more oxygen. And now we are introducing a new innovative program named akka. It focuses on enhancing and strengthening the skills of our talented entrepreneurs through various training programs. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Chennamma Belawal, for briefing us about Veerashaiva Mahasabha and the activities that it undertakes. Now, Sonal Krishnatri, an enthusiastic entrepreneur, managing director of Conisec Enterprises, a global financial solutions company. She is also a certified counselor who conducts sessions on financial awareness, stress management, positive parenting, and more. She is associated with All Ladies League, ALL, since 2015 and is a social activist. She believes when positive people connect hand in hand, they can certainly initiate the required changes in the society. I welcome you, ma'am, and request you to take on the dais now.
There is no force equal to a woman determined to rise. A very good morning to you all. I'm Sonal Manish from Pune. And thank you so much, Suprabha, for wonderful introduction. And my all thanks to organizing committee, Dhwani, All Ladies League. Thank you so much for having us.
I'm sorry to, okay. Yeah.
She was not on video when we checked.
Yeah,
ahead,
today we are here to know more about She Economy. She Economy. She Economy, yours and ours. We are there. This is for us. And my all heartfelt gratitude to Harbeen ma'am, our all global chairperson, for this blessing in disguise during tough time for business. As you all know, this time is real tough time for all sizes of business, and She Economy is real blessing because it is free for all women entrepreneurs around the globe. As she says, if you empower a women, we empower a family, we empower community, culture, and country. So empowering one woman means prosperity to whole planet. So this is my humble request to all my dear sisters. Please do register on She Economy. In my this 10-minute session, I will tell you or let us know you about advantages of being in She Economy in your business growth, and why and how it is to be important to be on She Economy for any women entrepreneur around the globe. So first I'll start with the advantages being on She Economy. Number one, there is no transaction and registration amount. It is absolutely free. Believe me, this is the wonderful opportunity, and this is what I call real women empowerment. During this time, if someone is providing such wonderful dynamic global platform for free, this is real help. This is real women empowerment. So all thanks to Dr. Habib. And second is, when you'll sign up, you'll get free gift. And I'm sure after receiving that gift, you will be more rejuvenated and refocused towards your business. You'll love it. Third, you'll have your own domain name, like your company name .sheeconomy.in. You'll have your own individual store on website. You can display your banners, your flyers, your advertisements, your pictures, your logos on our website. So please be a brand and show it to the world and take a driving seat. They say women shop a lot, right? Most people this is a thing, we shop a lot. No, we contribute in the economy, right? We are the money churners. We contribute in the economy, and we are driving the global economy. There is a study by McKinsey Global Institute that if all women entrepreneurs come forward, we can add to the world economy from $12 trillion to 28 trillion. Can you imagine this number? How dynamic is this number? How empowering is this number? And could you feel that reach? Already we are 2 lakh plus strong women entrepreneur community on She Economy. And as you all know, if one woman know anything, it's not one woman. It's like 2 lakhs multiplied by 20. If I know something, my family knows, my in-law family knows, my friends knows, my social media friends know, my domestic help knows, everyone around me knows about it. They are aware of it. So can you see this extensive reach for your business, where you will get when that time, the minute you register on Sheconomy, immediately will become local to global. Your business is open for the world. Can you imagine that exposure? So please come and do register with us. And the back office team, Director She Economy Anisha and whole team is really very super supportive team. And your queries, I'm sure your queries will get fulfilled in one single day. Whenever you make a call, the team is so super supportive. You'll get the answers, the query is fulfilled or it is solved within a single day. So please be a part of such empowering electric ecosystem where there's possibility for each one around the globe have equal opportunity to rise, to create wealth for better world, no matter where you belong to. If you are a women entrepreneur around the planet, no matter what size of your business, whether it's large, it's small, it's mid-size, you're most welcome. Please do register and prosper. You have all the chances to showcase your talent as a business and rise your business equally without any biasness. You have all full exposure to the world. So please, my dear soul sisters, please come and take full advantage of this wonderful platform and make Dr. Harbeen's effort worthwhile to register and to prosper. Secondly, how and why how it is beneficial for us. First, as we have seen during lockdown, all the business suffered a lot due to the physical space. Here, you don't have any barrier of physical space, no investment cost, no time cost, 24/7 your shop, your business is open. And somewhere I read that growth and comfort doesn't coexist. They do not coexist. But here, the mantra for success is either you be the best or different from the rest. Here we are catering both. How? Here in your comfort globally, you can sell your products globally. And this platform offers B2B and B2C, both the type of, they are catering both the types of, both the forms of businesses. Like B2B is like business to business. You can provide raw material to other business owners, or you can collaborate with other women business owners, or as you know, B2C is, we can cater to business to client, or you can sell your product and services to everyone around. And second thing, one more thing, I want to let you know, there is a study by Boston Consultancy around 50 countries. They did one study or one survey with 50 countries. And what they found is suddenly they have seen rise of GDP in South Asian countries. Why? They think why? Then they made a proper study and they have seen that this drastic change or this significant rise in economy of these countries happened because suddenly they've seen more and more women are coming forward and they are entering into business. They are opening companies. They have taken that driving seat. As we know that being a woman, that we have all the inherent qualities to build together and grow together. How? Suppose a small example: if I go to a grocery shop to purchase my weekly groceries, and suddenly I have seen one crockery thing, and I make out, oh, I need crockery also. Oh, I need this thing also. So I went for shopping my groceries, but I supported 3 more businesses by purchasing through them. So this is inherent in us, in women. And this is also, I have read somewhere they have one study, the startup owned by business, the women entrepreneur, they have 5% more revenue generation. Why? Because we are more vigilant. We are we are very good managers. We are nurturers. We build together. We are very good negotiator, fair negotiator. So these are the qualities of good entrepreneur. So my humble request to you all, please come forward. If any questions, please let us know. We will answer your queries, and we will give Director She Economy Anisha's number and email ID. If any other thing, you can directly contact her and she'll answer your queries. And at last, I will say only one thing, 5S involved here. Like success is equal to sell, scale, succeed, sustain, and serve. I'll elaborate little bit. Sell. First we'll sell, then we'll scale. Scale means we can scale up our business. We can add on. We can upgrade our products. We can add on more services. As initially when I started, I have only one wing of my business. Now I have three segments. I have three types of businesses. So you can also scale up, and once we'll scale up, then 100% we'll succeed, and we'll succeed, then we'll sustain. When we'll sustain, then only we'll serve. And serving, as you know, serving, we all somewhere down the inner heart, we always want to serve. We also want to give it back to the society. So this you can only do when you will take everything in your hands and start your business. And please be global. This is a wonderful opportunity to showcase and display your business globally. This platform offers you to connect, collaborate, and commercially also you can earn. So this is the wonderful platform where you can empower yourself and other people as well. You can support your family, your community, your culture, your country. And we are the driving force in the global economy. So please come and contribute. World needs us. Our country's GDP needs us. Our family needs us. Our world needs us. So please come forward and join the economy. And I want to tell you one more thing, that somewhere I don't know, somewhere I read some things like if a woman take charge, if whenever something is in women's hand, she love to create a she love to create a ecosystem around her. So this is the empowering electric ecosystem. Please be a part of it and spread this consciousness of creating wealth for everyone. So I am summing up with one Hindi saying कि बस अब आप देखते जाइए हमारे हौसलों की उड़ान, हम वो परिंदे हैं जो पिंजरा ले उड़ेंगे. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward for question answer session, and Prenal will let you know about the all registration process. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Thanks a lot.
ಹೆಣ್ಣೊಂದು ಕಲಿತರೆ ಶಾಲೆಯೊಂದು ತೆರೆದಂತೆ. Like Sonal explained, if a woman learns, then it is equivalent that a school itself has opened. She will spread so much knowledge, is the meaning of the saying. Thank you, Sonal, for elaborating us the 5 S's and the importance of not having a physical space but still being able to sell, and the importance of being available for the community for 24/7, and elaborating on how comfort and success can coexist. I now welcome Prenal Goyal, founder of CEO and PG Digital Solution, a passionate entrepreneur who started the company at an age of 19 to provide digital marketing and website development services to small businesses and startup at 50% of market price so that they can have a digital presence. I now hand over the program to Prenal to continue.
Thank you so much, Suprabha ma'am, for this pleasing introduction. Good morning to all the passionate women entrepreneurs present here. Today, I'll tell you how you can create your e-commerce website on She Economy for free. So The procedure of registering on She Economy and the complete details are as follows. To create a website on She Economy, you have to follow 3 steps. First, create your account. Second, set up your business and verify your account. Starting with creating your account, on Google, search www.sheeconomy.in. You will find a page like this. Scroll down at the bottom of the page. There is one option, be a seller, apply now. Click on the apply now button. You will be redirected to the information page where you have to fill information about yourself and your business. Then save your details. You will get a verification email. Verify your email. Then again log into the She Economy portal. For the creating your business account on She Economy has 6 basic steps. First step is to set up your home page for the website. So in the home page, you have to fill shop name, company name, logo, address, and information related to your company. Second is homepage setup. Homepage setup, you have to put one banner of your company and information about your company. About Us page include founders of the company, various information about the company as what your company do. Next is policy. For service you have to fill only refund policy and payment policy, and for products you have to fill refund policy, shipping policy, and payment policy. Now second step is to set up your KYC account. KYC setting is you can choose you are an individual, sole proprietor, freelancer, consultant, registered business or company, authorized reseller, partnership, trading company, or NGO. You can choose any one option from the above options, and then provide the details like GST number, PAN card details. The third option is to set up the payment details. If you are transacting globally, then you have to fill in PayPal or Stripe details. And if you are transacting only in India, then Razorpay and Instamozo payment gateways are available on She Economy. You can put your key, payment gateway key, and secret. Fourth step is to fill the shipping details. This step is not there if you provide that you have services. But if you have product and you sell product across India or globally, then shipping are of 4 types: local, regional, national, and international. You can put the charges differently of local, regional, national, and international, and depending upon the weight of the product. This is the setup in which you can put the charges according to weight of your products. Fifth step is to create your domain. Domain is the name which is shown on the Google. So you have to put your company name .sheeconomy.in. In this way, your company's domain will be created. Now, the last step is to fill the details about your product or services. If you are dealing in products, then you have to put product name, images, price, text, and shipping details. And in services also, you have to put prices, the information about your service, and pictures of the service. Then if you want to add more images, then you can click add more button available here. Then click on save button. Your product and services will be saved. And if you want to add more products, then it will be available on your portal only. You can choose a different category for each product if you have various categories of product. In this way, you can create your website on She Economy.
Thank you, Ms. Preenal, for briefing us on how to log in and how to create a space of our own on She Economy. I now request Ms. Prachi to continue the conversation. Ms. Prachi, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Suprabha. Yeah, I'm glad to welcome and introduce Ms. Nisha Dhanuka, a chartered accountant by profession and a banker turned entrepreneur. The co-founder of C2X, People Development Company, and Quinfin Finance and Accounting Outsourcing Company. Now I request Ms. Nisha Dhanuka to address the session with motivating words. Over to ma'am.
Thank you, Prachi. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. So I will briefly, build upon what Sonal said, that, how we as a group, if we come together, how we can take our economy to a different level. And it takes an empowered woman to empower another one. So I think all of us, when we come together and when we help each other to grow, and She Economy is a beautiful platform, I see that, where we can actually help each other to grow. No, and not only in the process we grow others, we also grow ourselves, our venture. So currently I'm a chartered accountant, and my venture is called Quinfin Consulting Private Limited. What we do, we ensure that when anybody start their business, irrespective of the gender, we help them incorporate. We set up their accounting and finance processes. We take care of their compliances, be it GST, TDS, ETDS. We help them raise funds as well. So a lot of people, when I go on different platforms, when I interact, they say women are not good with finance. And I am on the, on a war with the world to say that nobody can better manage the finance than a woman. So I do a lot of sessions around how do you manage your cash flows. There are certain knowledge upskilling that needs to be done, which I do. And that is, all of you know all those things. I just bring it to the forefront, more into your awareness. So I do sessions on what are important things that you need to take care when you're managing your business, when you're growing your venture. So anything related to finance and accounts, I would love to help you understand what are the different registrations which are very pro-women by the government, especially Karnataka government. Happy to help you on all those things. So I was told 3 minutes, and I think I'm done in 2.5 minutes. Thank you so much. Subhrava, we can't hear you if you're saying something.
Can you hear me now? Thank you, Ms. Nisha, to have elaborated the procedure and sharing tips on how to promote services on She Economy. Today, we have with us Lakshmi Shankar, the Global Chairperson, Business Networking for G100 and All Ladies League, and the National President, Women's Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We are glad to have you with us, ma'am. Now, I call upon Ms. Prachi for vote of thanks.
Hello,
there are
ladies.
some audience. There are some audience questions.
Okay.
Which
Okay.
we could probably
Sandhya, ma'am,
address.
could you please brief on the questions and conduct the Q&A session for us?
Sure. Thank you so much, Suprabha. It has been such a pleasure to listen to everybody. One of the goals of All Ladies League is to create leadership at all levels. And I can see it in progress. It is happening all around, starting from 19-year-old Prinal, who started her company at this age. She's started at 19, she is 19. So you can see where that is. So the first question is from Yahweh Kamla, Kamlia, which says, is there any position available on this platform for women who are looking out for a work from home job? Sonal, do you want to take that, or would you like me to answer that? Sonal?
Yeah, Sandhya, please go ahead.
Okay, so this platform is essentially for women to sell their products and services. Having said that, what you could do is we could give you the email IDs and you could connect with them if they need any help in the back end for you to work from home. So that is something you could check with them directly. Does that answer your question? I hope it does. Okay, how to join She Economy? We will share the website link again. It's very simple. You go and register on the website. There is a register button. You go and register, just as Prinal showed you. And again, like Sonal and Prinal mentioned, both Anisha and Anupam and the rest of the team are very, very proactive, responsive, and will answer your queries immediately and help you get onboarded. So you can reach out to them if you have trouble joining Shikonomy. Vedika asks if there's a woman owner of a construction company, can she promote her work and brand on Shikonomy? Certainly she can. That is the purpose of Shikonomy. Any other questions? Yes. Is this platform available for services like promoting KPO services? I think Nisha answered that question, Sweta. Financial services, any other consultancy services, everything can be promoted on this platform. Right. Can a homepreneur apply who works from home and have no GST number?
Yes.
Yes, you can. Okay. So e-economy only for selling products, or can a real estate? We have answered that. There's nothing to ship or deliver under this business, but yes, you can. And if you have issues with registration, do connect with Prenal or Sonal or Anisha at the Delhi office. May I request Sonal to share once again the website details and the contacts of Anisha and Anupam?
Sure, Sandha ma'am. I'll write in chat box, and it's like www.sheconomy.in.
Yeah.
This is website.
Yeah.
And anisha.tiwari@sheconomy.in.
Okay, great.
I'll share number also in chat, so it will be easy for them to connect.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Preeti says if the company is not registered, can we still register on Shikonomy?
Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
If you have your Aadhaar card and PAN card, you can register. KYC will be done. So it's all okay.
Yeah. So I hope that answers Preeti's question. Nisha,
I just need to clarify that if it is like two people are running the business, then do we have to select one person and submit their PAN card and Aadhaar details? How do we manage that? It's a partnership which is not registered. It's an informal arrangement.
Yeah, only one person. Only one person's detail will be required.
Okay. Any one person we can give the KYC details.
Yeah, women.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Nisha, Lata would like your company name and contact coordinates, I suppose. If you
I
could
gave
put
it already on the chat.
Okay, great. Okay. How can I get in touch with hosts and co-hosts and guests? Okay. Is there anybody in particular that you would like to get in touch with, Bhavani? If so, if you could put the name here, they'll share our email IDs and phone numbers.
Hello, Sandhya ji. Thank you. No, I'm like I just loved everybody talking. So I just texted Prachi also. I took a contact. So if there is, I mean, if you want to connect with you all, like, is there somewhere where I can find you all?
We will share our numbers here, and you can get in touch anytime.
Oh, okay, that will be wonderful. Yeah.
Yeah. So Sonal and Prenal, this question is from Sandhya. How about logistics? Do we have to manage outside Shikonomy?
So you will have to deliver your products from your own logistics. Shikonomy does not provide any logistic services.
Directly, you can ship to your buyer.
To the buyer, yes. Yeah. So the way I see it is that you ship and the money comes through Shikonomy to your account.
Yeah. It's like you can give directly, you can share your account detail to your buyer. So money will directly come to your account. Shikonomy has nothing to do with it. So you can just share your account details, everything directly to your buyer.
Right. So Shikonomy is just just a marketplace to promote and showcase your products and services.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Malabika, your question has been answered that it is not only for registered companies, anybody can register. So Nisha has given her contact details. Preeti, your question has been answered. All right. Again, Kushala, you can again, you can promote, you can put up pictures of your cold pressed. So Kushala says, I'm the proprietor of Aksha Naturals. We are the manufacturers of cold or wood pressed oils and masala powders. How to promote our products through Sheconomy. Kushala, you can register, put up photographs, write descriptions of the products, put in the prices, and you'll get the orders through the website and you ship them directly to the buyer. I hope that answers your question. Right. If you all still have any queries, you are welcome to contact us. I guess now those are the questions we had. If anyone has any more, please feel free to come back. I'll hand it back to Prachi or Suprabha, who was coming in. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sandhya ma'am, for elaborating us on each question and answering them. I request now Ms. Prachi to go ahead with her word of thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, Sandhya ma'am. Thank you, Suprabha. Hello, ladies. It's a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable day. Let me start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion successful. First and foremost, I thank all the guests who, despite busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion and for encouraging words. I express heartfelt thanks to my friends for valuable contribution in making this event successful. I also thank all the invitees present here for accepting the invitation. Finally, I would like to leave you with an inspiring quote. Be that woman who wakes up with purpose and intent. Be that woman who shows up and never gives up. Be that woman who believes anything is possible and is willing to work for it. Once again, thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Prachi. Today's program proves that woman is not a tension, but she is equivalent to 10 suns. So I thank each of you to have made this program possible and a grand success. We hope to see more women entrepreneurs through Sheconomy, joining Sheconomy very soon. Signing off, Suprabha Sultani. Ma'am,
I want to just say one thing here, sorry. In the back end, Lakshmi Shankar has been very, very supportive. And I personally want to thank her because she has been very instrumental in my growth. From the getting me into All Ladies League and help me explore various avenues and has been a great mentor for me. Thank you so much, Lakshmi, and thank you everyone else for all this wonderful session organized by you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandy. It's always been mutual.
Thank you. I'm going to copy the chat, so don't end the session, please.
No, I will not.
Yes, so thank you and see you all around soon.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Session.
Thank you, one and all. Bye.
Thank you, guys.